Welcome to Blockchain Factory. We specialize in developing innovative blockchain solutions that empower businesses to leverage the full potential of decentralized technology. Our team, led by Chad Barron as CEO, is dedicated to transforming industries and creating value through blockchain integration. Today, we're thrilled to introduce Galactic, an innovative company that seamlessly integrates prediction markets into enterprise media ecosystems. This isn't just about generating revenue. It's a groundbreaking approach to reclaiming trust and securing media's future in a post-social world. Galactic is led by CEO Stuart Stott, a digital transformation executive with experience at international brands like DMGT plc, Global Media, and Rightmove plc. At the forefront of this change, he's joined by Alan Vey, an advisor and blockchain visionary who founded Aventus Network. As a Forbes 30 Under 30 winner, Alan has spearheaded blockchain innovation for enterprises, securing major deals with Vodafone, Heathrow Airport, and Enigmatic Smiles. Galactic is building the Truth Network, a decentralized ecosystem designed to transform media's interaction with audiences. Supported by Polkadot's powerful blockchain infrastructure, this ecosystem is redefining trust, transparency, and engagement in the media industry. Galactic unlocks the power of audience opinion by enabling brands to leverage insights and reward expertise through integrated prediction markets. With major partnerships already established, including NFL alumni with 13,000 former players and over 70 million in partner customers, they're bringing the Galactic product to life on the robust Truth Network powered by Polkadot. This is just the beginning. As we continue to attract top-tier partners to the ecosystem, we're unlocking unprecedented levels of engagement and value. At Blockchain Factory, we're proud to be part of this project. Our mission is to deploy 50,000 validator nodes to create a truly decentralized ecosystem. We're exclusively responsible for deploying validator nodes within our community to ensure broad participation and security. Act now. Contact the person who sent you this video and discover how you can be part of this revolutionary journey. Don't miss out. Join us today.